Thanks for joining PowerUp. Okay, let's get started. Please click the link above or visit powerupcoupons.com and click Go to App. Next, you will be prompted to fill out the My Info screen. Please fill that out and then click Save and Continue. You are now logged in to PowerUp. Because this is your first coupon, please click the New Coupon link. You will then see a selection of different templates that you can choose from. If you're signed up with our Spark plan, you can choose any of the basic templates, where we have several different colors and you can add images, logos, and edit all of your information right directly on the ad. If you are signed up with our Power plan, you will be able to select from a wide variety of our premium templates. We have lots of different templates from different seasons, different holidays, different themes, and just lots of cool different designs. And remember, you can use any of these templates as often as you like. So choose a template that you want and click on it to start editing. Now you want to edit all the information. There's different fields you can just click on and start typing right directly on your coupon. Now, you have a pre-share offer and a post-share offer. Please edit both. The pre-share offer is the first offer that your fans will see when they click to open the coupon. Once they share the coupon, the post-share offer is the better deal that they get. So remember to edit both the pre-share and the post-share offer. Now, just a good hint while editing your offer, please make your offer huge. It needs to really stick out. That way it will be seen easily from the news feed. And in the share instructions on the pre-share, make sure you really type in what they get if they share. For example, you get $1 off, but you get an extra $1 off if you share. Once you have edited both the pre-share and the post-share offers, above click the Save As button, fill out the information, and then click Post. Your offer is now live on your fan page. It's just that easy.